In this video, I'm going to show you how to change time on Windows 11. So first of all, on your Windows laptop or desktop, click on Start icon here and then select Settings icon, and as you can see it's opening. Then select time and language here to the left side, and as you can see here showing current time and time zone and region. So to change time and date, you need to select these options here showing all the settings are automatically. So you need to change date, just turn off these options and click here to change, and just change your date or month or year. Here is the time, then click here to change, then it will change your time on your Windows laptop or desktop. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my videos. See you on the next.